Hey there guys, welcome to Outofline Garage and our mod remix video. In this one we go ahead and streamline down our older content, help you out a little bit faster. This is the Tesla style radio install. Hope you enjoy. We of course have the main unit. It's going to be the tall one. There's a narrower version, but I like the look of this one better. I'm not the biggest fan of chrome, so I don't know if I'll do anything about that. But for the rest of it, there's these two brackets. I'm not too sure what exactly they do. I'm guessing it's something to do with the bottom, but we'll figure that out when we get there. And then the bag of wires with, of course, you know, not complete English writing. Hopefully this will have the GPS in it, as well as the link ups for all the steering wheel controls. So it just replaces everything. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started and hope this turns out good. So the first thing we gotta do is take off this little bracket on the bottom, which has torque spits, and then it just pulls right out. Alright guys, so using the Focus T25, I'm gonna go ahead and take out these screws. And pulls right out. Alright, so that's going to pull out. And then, of course, you have the bolt, or the one connection on the very back. Alright, so that's off. And then, I believe it's the same size. Yep, T25 for these. There we go. Alright, so it's got a little bit more to go through in the back. Alright, so this guy. It's gotta go. I can't remember how these go. It's up. There we go. Pushing. Okay, so these are all done, and then this one is 4 total. Alright, so this is one connection on the back. Alright, so that slides forward like a little locking latch, and you just gotta press this down. This little pin, it falls forward. We've gone through all the wiring because there, like we said, there's no instructions. So there's the GPS signal we just found. This will go here. Yeah.
That's the GPS antenna.
Then what's actually really cool is all the factory stuff plugs into these wire harnesses they gave you, like directly in. Like this is the antenna, then it's a powered antenna if you have that. Different attachments for it. Like here's some audio outs. Then this whole big area here, and this was the one for behind the screen, I think, right? Yeah, that was a screen one. So yeah, then that whole little adapter, that's really cool. I actually really like that. And I'll go right into the back here, and they have a little guide to tell you what to go where. So now we have to run the GPS. Probably gonna run it in and down and around. Somehow put it out on front. Alright, so we're currently just going to plug this stuff in.
I don't think this goes to anything either.
It's for this plug?
No, it doesn't fit. It's got tabs on it.
Oh, wait, no. It goes down here. Move this up.
Ah!
Alright, so this one from the bottom runs into the bottom here. We have the main plug here. We have the CAN bus, which is going to translate to the CAN system in the car. Let's turn it on real quick and see what happens. You're hitting the...
Well, at least that works.
Well, turns on. That's probably not good.
Might be doing that because the doors are open. Apparently this takes a while to...
Now this is a bit of a mess because I just went through and hooked it up. So what I did was I took one of the plugs I usually put inside here with a USB on it, which would be this one, that one, and that one, and ran a USB to one of these plugs, I think older cell phone style plug, and that ran into the stock Ford plug. As you can see, that's what this one is. This doesn't do anything anymore. So what you do is you just unplug the, take the side off, unplug this, and plug this guy into here, and then it works. And as you can see, I have the USB plugged in. Alright guys, so we got this front plate on. The front plates, there's two of them that are supplied. This is the one I needed. It fits like just inside the grooves. I didn't quite know how to do it, but I got them to fit by putting this in and then kind of just bending these in very carefully. But now there's screws that go along. AP's gonna go ahead and put those in.
Yeah, there's screws. There's one that goes, not that you guys can see, one here, one like under here, which we might have to pop these out, and then the same on the other side.
You might be able to get to it right there.
Yeah, we'll see. So we're like trying to figure out how this was gonna fit, and then we didn't realize that Anthony set the screws down somewhere. So yeah, we found them. We're like, oh, okay.
I mean, it snaps in now, so it's a pretty firm setting, but yeah, we'll go ahead and put the screws in.
If I can get the bag open, that would be awesome.
Yeah, we went ahead and ran the GPS line down. I went ahead and attached it to the wiring. AP ran it down
GPS,
through there.
Yeah, it goes
and
underneath here.
Currently up top here.
I popped out the glove box here, popped out this panel here, ran it up, and then stuck it up here, and we'll stick it over there somewhere.
Yeah, hide it up there. And then get this little mess of a wiring cluster out. All nice figured out. Actually, I don't even know if I can clean this up, but we'll try.
So basically we're making sure we got everything on the trim piece. We put the 4 screws on. We plugged everything in. I think you've already showed that, right? Where everything goes.
For
the most part.
The finished product and layout. Alright, so I'm going to try to put this in as carefully as possible.
I think we have everything plugged in that we need.
So this has to go down and this in. That's pretty much it. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed that version of it. If you've seen the other one and you've watched this one, let us know what you think down below. Leave a like, leave a dislike if you didn't like it, and let us know what we can do to fix it. Definitely check out our merch line if you guys are interested in that. And we'll see you next time. Bye.